Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a pen that, well, yeah, sometimes curiosity and Hello Kitty just sort of work together to doom you to ordering a pen. And in this case, this is the Uni Hello Kitty multi-pen, and it has like a little crystal Hello Kitty on the top, and it twists one way and you get a red pen, and twist the other way and you get a black, and it says Hello Kitty. And yeah, so as pens go, this isn't really what I would call amazing. But sometimes when you're confronted with a do you order the Hello Kitty pen when you're ordering other pens? Sometimes you just gotta. And anyway, this particular pen, I got this one from Jet Pens, and it was like $6. And it looks like from the tag, it retails for about 350 yen. So not too bad considering it's imported and all. I'll include links in the description if you want to check for this on Jet Pens or on Amazon. If you also happen to be ordering pens from one of those two places and are like, man, I need a Hello Kitty pen while I'm at it. So if you want to replace the ink, this little end tip here unscrews. Although I don't know. I'm curious to see if anyone would actually use this pen so much that they used up the ink. But anyway, let's check it out. So let's do the black one first. So this is the Hello Kitty Uni pen. And so for the red one, Hello Kitty Uni pen. Yeah, I mean, like, it's okay. It's kind of, I do happen to like the fact that it's transparent, so you can see like the internal workings of it, which is sort of neat. Like you can see where the pieces click in and that kind of thing, which I think is kind of a neat touch. That, had I noticed that initially, like when I was ordering it, that might have caused me more to order it than the Hello Kitty-ness. Can y'all see that? So you can see how the internal workings of the mechanism. Anyway, so not exactly one of those, everyday carry type pens, unless you're making like a Hello Kitty related statement, but still sort of a neat pen. And the transparent part where you can see the mechanism is neat. Anyway, let me know what you think, and in the comments let me know if you bought any pens such as this particular Hello Kitty pen that weren't exactly what you'd call the best choice, but had to be done considering you were ordering other stuff. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.